What's up, guys? Kind of a late vlog and not a very long one. I'm tired. I just got off work. It's 3:49 in the morning. Yeah, I just got off work about an hour ago. So I'm driving my Nana's little Chevy S10 right now, as some of you know. Star. Um, well, the good thing about that is my F-150 is getting to take a break. But here's what I found out. Now I'm going to drive it to the day it dies. And then I might actually blow it up and put it on this YouTube channel. Who knows? I think it'd be kind of cool for the channel. Who knows? Or I might just take it to just scrap it and have them just get rid of it. Because the engine is knocking. So it won't be running much longer. Which sucks. Because I paid $2,800 for it. I've had it a little over a year. And it ain't worth shit now. Which is just flipping fantastic, you know? But it is what it is. So like I said, this wasn't going to be very long. I'm hungry. I'm tired. And I'm going to bed. So, good night, YouTube, and wish me luck.